You got bugs, tar, or bird dropping. Don't even think about it. Don't want to end up like this guy. Don't eat it. Later, Gator. Always start with the shaky. Look at this tar. Thanks to the never-ending pothole repairs. Just spray this all over the place. Wait a hot minute, then wipe off with a microfiber towel. It's gonna take a little bit of scrubbing. If you want to make this a whole lot easier on yourself, do yourself a favor and get one of these jammies. One side is for the body, one side is for glass and lights. Best part is, throw it in the wash when you're done. Oh, so much easier. Then wipe it off with the microfiber towel. Look at the difference. Oh, look at all the bug guts and cruddies. They come right off. I always use this before I wash the car. Plain simple. It works. Make sure to catch some upcoming videos. Oh.